Hey guys, it is Dani and welcome to this video. And so we have three tropical systems to talk about. We have newly formed tropical storm HANNA, tropical storm GONZALO, as well as another area of disturbed weather that could become our next tropical cyclone. But before I go into details, first of all, I want to say a huge thank you for helping me to reach 1,000 subscribers. Yesterday in the evening we hit that 1K mark, and so I'm extremely thankful, guys, and I promise to always keep you guys updated right through the hurricane season when I should. And also, guys, if you are watching this video and you haven't subscribed, you can do so and tap the bell so you know every time when I post a new video. And you can also follow me on Instagram. My weather account is the girl Dani, and my personal account is Dani Henry Official. Okay, so first you want to actually go to that tropical disturbance that is located right off the coast of Africa. So as of now, it is given a low 30% chance of development through the next 5 days. And so when it moves across the eastern Atlantic, going into the western Atlantic, right there to in the main development region, right in the western section right there, right before we reach the Lesser Antilles, that is where we could see the possibility for some tropical cyclone development. And we have some of our models showing this developing into even a deadly hurricane, guys, but we don't know what will be the outcome, and we have to watch it. And what you're seeing now is defeated tropical storm GONZALO. I would say the storm is struggling to even remain organized at the moment, and it has weakened some more. Winds are now 50 miles per hour. So let's go to the National Hurricane Center's cone of uncertainty. So here we're seeing that the storm has winds, as I said, of 50 miles per hour, and it's moving to the west at around 16 miles per hour. And so we're expecting that the Windward Islands will still be affected. Do not let the strength of the storm fool you to say, oh, it's weak. It is still dangerous enough to cause some flooding, some life-threatening flooding. So most of the Windward Islands definitely going to be affected by this, and there is still a hurricane watch. And the reason I believe is because the storm has winds of higher gusts than just 50 miles per hour, so winds that are probably up to hurricane force, even though that's not the sustained winds at the moment. And so it could even dissipate maybe by Monday. Let's go to the Windshear Map. So actually these colors here represent different amounts of wind, and this the measurements are in knots. So the reds show very strong wind shear, unfavorable for tropical development, the yellows moderate, and the green low, which is favorable for some tropical development. And we see that across the eastern Caribbean, where GONZALO will be moving, strong to moderate shear that will help the system to tear apart. And what you're seeing now is dangerous tropical storm HANNA, or most recent tropical cyclone. So this became a named storm last night, and so this is expected to impact Texas mostly, as well as the northeastern side of Mexico. Now let's go to the National Hurricane Center's cone of uncertainty here. So we have a tropical storm warning that extends for most of the Gulf Coast of Texas, as the storm is expected to move inland by Saturday. And so it has a bit of time to strengthen. It's expected to have maximum winds of 65 miles per hour. And I'd say that's not far from being a Category 1 hurricane. And I'd say the possibility is there for this to achieve hurricane status, but I would say it's a very low chance, but the possibility is still there. So mainly southern Texas will be impacted by this, as well as northeastern Mexico, and the storm could become a remnant low by Monday. So maybe GONZALO as well as HANNA will dissipate at around the same time. And for the rainfall potential, we have our different colors here showing different amounts. We have the lighter green being 1 inch, the darker green 2, the yellow 4, the orange 6, and the red 10. Let's stop right there. So we're seeing that mainly 6 inches to about, let's say, 2 to 6 inches expected for most of Texas, southern Texas, as well as northeastern Mexico, and it even extends for portions of Louisiana and also Mississippi and Alabama, and even the most westerly side of the Florida Panhandle, guys. And so we have to keep watching these storms. And so if you found this video to be pretty informative, please give a thumbs up, and you can also share your thoughts in the comments or ask a question. I will try to respond as best and as soon as I can. And just remember to always be weather-wise. Now we'll keep giving all your necessary updates on the tropics as time goes by.